Keep it going with all your queries coming in, and Hemen, we'll come to you. Technical query is what we have, and our viewer Vidya is writing to us from Chennai. She's a short-term trader. She's looking to make a fresh entry into railway counters, Titagar and RVNL. Titagar we spoke about earlier, but if you could give a slightly short-term perspective on that stock, and RVNL is the stock that she's talking about. She's asking if now is the right time to enter, or if not, what would be a good entry price for the short term. So that's her query, and what's your view on that?
Not fair to compare stocks, nahi, but technically speaking, Titagar seems better place than RVNL. If she does want to buy RVNL, then at current level, the stop loss of 3110 comes in. It will sustain or give her returns only on a close about 380. As far as Titagar is concerned, it looks relatively better. We're at 796 in the cash market now, so one can buy at around 780. Stop loss of 740 and a target of 880. This is not it's not a exactly short-term call because last 6 trading session has gone nowhere. It's probably a positional call for the current month, Sneh.
All right, Mr. Chokalingam, let me come to you also on the railway pack, because there was someone else also asking us about the railway counter, especially RVNL, Titagar we have spoken about. But for RVNL, this has seen a fair bit of correction, almost 30% corrections coming in on these PSU railway stocks. But fundamentally, do you see value for the next 2 to 3 years in the railway counters, specifically RVNL?
2-3 years, definitely. Nobody will lose it. But in the next 1 year, I doubt whether one can see a significant return, because FY 2026 budget was presented in February 25, and there we don't see any solid growth in the allocation for railway capital program. So therefore, FY 26, it's very difficult to expect tremendous boost in the orders or revenue growth for railway stocks. And secondly, these railway stocks, they once in 3-4 years, they boom, and invariably, if you look at the last 15-20 years, they also crashed very badly. So my humble suggestion to all retail investors is that when you are chasing in a bull market, thematic ideas like this in railway, always be careful and don't compromise completely on the valuation comfort, because they are known for creation of wealth, and they are also known for severe fall in the short to medium term. Then once you lose heavily, it might take even 3 to 5 years. That's what I learned from these pack in the last 20-30 years. So yes, if somebody is losing heavily and willing to wait for 2 to 3 years, yes, railway stocks will come back after 1 year. Most probably FY 27 budget allocation can be far better. So it's a hold for minimum 2 years.
Okay, so whole call coming in. If you have a 2-year or longer perspective on Rail Vikas, that's the view coming in.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.